Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Very easy tutorial this time on how to install the AMD graphics drivers on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, there are two main ways to install your drivers. For example, you can try and just input your GPU name, basically the kind of model you have. For example, you have let's say RX 66 this one, for example, right? And you just type in drivers like this and make sure that you're going into the official website of AMD. Do not go into any other websites, all right? So as you can see, we have kind of a problem. We have previous drivers in here, so these are not new drivers. And in order to download the drivers, the newest drivers for this GPU, just copy this name and in the website itself, in the search, just type it in, just insert it, press enter. And in here, as you can see, AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT drivers. These are going to be the latest and the newest drivers for your GPU, okay? And you just click on here, and guys, depending on which platform you're using, operating system you're using, Windows 10 or 11, for example, you're using Windows 11, you just click and you have numerous options. You can just also install everything that's required, or you can just download the latest official newest driver version, which is going to be this one, right? So the second one from the top, right? So AMD Adrenalin 24 blah blah blah, right? File size 1700 megabytes, and just download and install it. When you run the installer, your screen may flicker and turn black. That's completely normal. After the installation is complete, just restart your PC and you're good to go. Guys, thanks for watching. If this helped, press like, subscribe. See you in the next one.